it's me, Aramka Direct, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, guys, as you can see, I have here a bacon claw cheeseburger, and it's called a bacon claw cheeseburger dahil they have some promo. It's a limited edition from Deadpool and Wolverine, I guess, yeah. So it's called Best Bob's Burger. So I would like to try sana yung kay Deadpool, but it's a spicy food and I'm not allowed to eat spicy because of my gastroenteritis, you know that, guys. So I have this one cheeseburger. It's a bacon claw cheeseburger, so let's try it. It's a delicious one. So let's open it. Oh, look at that! Nice! Ang ganda ng ganda ng cover ng niya. And oh, look at that. I like meat, and there's some meat dito. Deadpool and Wolverine, can you imagine the fun, the chaos, and the residuals? Wow! Nice! Panalo. Sa palang panalo na sa kanyang cover. Wrapper. So, it's a wrapper. There you are. Pagka binuksan mo siya, there you are. The Deadpool and Wolverine and cinemas. Oh, July 24, so it's in cinemas na. So, I'm not familiar about this kind of pero maximum episode. Ito siya, Best Bob's. Ito yung sinasabi ko, Best Bob's Burger. So, I'm not familiar about the cinemas kasi hindi man ako lumalabas at alam nyo na, taong bahay lang si Rampa. And there you go, open na natin. Dan. So, ayan na siya. Ayan yung loob niya. Wow! Bango! Parang ang sarap pa. And this is the inside. So, may mga bacon strips siya around and the cheese. Oh, melted cheese. So, try natin. And oh my gosh. There, nakikita nyo. Open ha. Nakikita nyo. Ayan o, cheesy talaga siya. Cheesy. Cheesy na cheesy. There you are. So, ayan, nakikita nyo. Sarap. So, try na natin kung gaano siya kasarap. Wow. Look at that. Ika nyo. Sarap. Yum. Narinig mo yung aking mga pusa. They are asking for it. Naaamoy kasi nilang masarap. Ayan. Tayo! Sa unang kagat para sa inyong lahat. Ang harap! Perfect to guys, grabe ang pangsarap. Napakasarap. So, it's very affordable price. I guess it's around 189 pesos. Sulit ka na dahil mayroon na siyang bacon and I guess lots of cheese. And sarap din, may burger na siya inside. And then the bread is also like parang cheese something siya. Ayan, ang sarap na. Sarap. Kain po tayo. So, yum. So, yung ako mga batuta, naging lang. Pwede naman sila sa cheese. Pero dapat konti lang. Share kayo dyan. Yan. Shout out sa aking aso. talaga. Limited edition lang kasi siya sa sa Burger King. So, sarap, panalo. Tingnan nyo yun. Juicy talaga siya. Masarap niyan. Bihira lang ako mag-burger. Actually. Pero nagustuhan ko to. Sarap. So, hanggang dito na lang guys ang aking mukbang Kemalu. So, see you again next time and thank you so much. Ubusin ko na to. And maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay and pag-watch everyday or sa pag-support sa aking mga videos kahit wala ako minsan sa premiere ko. Hindi lang minsan, madalas. Thank you so much guys. Hindi nyo alam kung gaano ko na-appreciate yun na kahit wala ako. You're always there to support me. And thank you so much. And God bless you all wherever you are. Always choose to be happy and good vibes always. And God bless you all. See you again next time. Bye-bye! Kain muna ako!